Hello, and welcome to this guided little light meditation designed to restore and balance your sacral chakra. Find a safe and comfortable position, either sitting up nice and tall or laying down. Once you're settled, close your eyes, bringing your awareness to your breath, noticing the movement of your body with each inhale and exhale. The expansion on the inhale and contraction on the exhale. Don't change anything. Simply notice the flow of the breath in and out of the body. Now bring your attention to how you feel in this moment. Be honest. How are you really feeling? Don't change anything or criticize the feeling. Whatever comes to mind is the right answer. It's okay to acknowledge how you're truly feeling. Eventually, like the breath, that feeling may contract, allowing for another to flow in. As the air flows in and out, thoughts may flow in and out. That's okay too. Allow what flows in to flow in. Allow what flows out to flow out. Not trying to force anything, just noticing. Thoughts and feelings flowing in and out. Anchoring yourself with the steady rhythm of your breath. On your next inhale, picture yourself strolling along a lush mountain path at sunrise. Feeling blissful and trusting, you let the path guide you. Take in your surroundings. The sky a brilliant shade of amber as the sun begins to rise. Morning so sweet you can taste it on your tongue. Feel the sway of your hips propelling you forward with each step, like a rhythmic dance with the day ahead. Listen to the buzz of the mountains springing to life. Smell the sweet scent of the wildflowers. Your path leads to the most exquisite temple carved into the mountainside. You make your way inside. You've been here before, but the sanctity of the space still fills your soul with joy. It is pure magic. You know that you belong here. Feeling blissful and trusting, you continue to let the path guide you to a golden staircase. You take the stairs leading down 2 flights. With each step down, you grow calmer, more trusting, more relaxed, knowing you're exactly where you're supposed to be. After descending the 2 floors, you see a long corridor leading to an orange door. You walk toward the door, open it up, and step inside. You find yourself in a completely blank room, except for a beautifully wrapped orange gift box. You open the box and find a small vial with amber liquid. A playful little tag on the outside says, "Drink me." Without fear or hesitation, you drink it down. Its sweetness fills you with an overwhelming sense of passion, pleasure, and understanding of yourself. Feel the energy of this magical liquid flow down to your sacral chakra, located about 2 inches below your belly button, joining with the orange energy that is already there, swirling in a clockwise motion. If the energy at your sacral chakra is too fast, you may be someone that is overly emotional, can be obsessive or emotionally dependent on others. Then visualize the amber liquid flowing down the swirl. If it's too slow, stagnant, or blocked, and you're someone that may be overly sensitive, hard on yourself, feel guilt or shame for no reason, visualize the liquid speeding up the swirl. Take a few breaths to visualize balancing this energy until it is a smooth, steady orange ball, swirling energy. Each inhale making the orange more radiant, and each exhale making the energy more vibrant. Your sacral chakra is your emotional and sexual center. It deals with creativity, passion, enjoyment. Open yourself up to this energy without becoming too attached. When it is balanced, you're emotionally balanced, can have healthy relationships, are creative and able to express yourself freely, are trusting and able to flow with change, leaving you open to experiencing all the pleasure, excitement, and joy in your life. Picture and feel this powerful, creative energy from your sacral chakra flowing out into your entire body, purifying you and filling you with joy and trust, opening you up to healthy relationships that flourish with deep connections and healthy boundaries. Inhale. Say to yourself, I honor, respect, and take good care of my body and myself. Exhale, removing any energetic blocks. Take a moment to create a picture of how this would look and feel in your life. On your next inhale, say to yourself, I create a healthy, pleasurable, and passionate life. Exhale, removing any energetic blocks. And take a moment to create a picture of how this would look and feel in your life. Inhale. I am playful, desirable, and attract people into my life that support and love me for who I am. Exhale, removing any energetic blocks. Take a moment to create a picture of how this would look and feel in your life. Inhale. My emotions are balanced and flow freely. Exhale, removing any energetic blocks. Then take a moment to create a picture of how this would look and feel in your life. Bringing your attention back to the blank room, you notice that inside the box is another beautifully wrapped present with a card that reads, Make a wish. Take a moment to make a wish about what you dream and desire for your life, without anyone else's expectations in mind, with no limits or boundaries. This is just for you. open this box and find everything you need to create that fantasy into a reality. Slowly unpack all the pieces in the box to create that wish you had in mind, and picture it coming to life in that room. Take a few moments to explore this new reality, really taking it in. What do you see? What do you hear? What does it feel like in your body? Experience this reality with all of you, as if it has already come to pass, savoring it with every inch of your mind, your body, and your soul. When you feel ready, picture yourself exiting the room, making your way out of the temple, knowing you can always return to the center of creativity, expression, pleasure, and healing whenever you need it. Bringing your awareness back to your physical body, begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Once again, notice honestly, how are you feeling? When you're ready, open your eyes. The creative actress, comedian, and writer Wanda Sykes said, "If you feel like there's something out there that you're supposed to be doing, if you have a passion for it, then stop wishing and just do it." May you go into the rest of your day feeling emotionally fulfilled and ready to create the life you desire. And may your little light always shine bright. Namaste.